Meaning of diagnostic.
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 Diagnostic. The term diagnostic refers to the process of identifying and analyzing problems or issues in a particular system, process, or individual. It involves carefully examining various symptoms and indicators to determine the underlying cause of the problem. The results of a diagnostic assessment can provide valuable insights that enable effective solutions to be developed and implemented. This process is commonly used in healthcare, engineering, and computer science, among other fields. Accurate diagnostics are crucial for effective problem solving, enabling prompt and targeted interventions to enhance outcomes and improve overall performance.